Highlights of Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago, a dynamic twin-island nation in the Caribbean, is celebrated for its breathtaking landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and diverse wildlife. Each island offers distinct experiences, making it a top-tier travel destination. 1. Stunning beaches and natural wonders. Maracas Beach, Trinidad, known for its golden sands, rolling waves, and the famous bake and shark. Wright Nature Center, Trinidad, a haven for birdwatchers, home to exotic species like toucans and hummingbirds. Caroni Bird Sanctuary, Trinidad, the natural habitat of the striking scarlet ibis, the nation's beloved bird. Pigeon Point Beach, Tobago, a picture-perfect paradise with turquoise waters and swaying palm trees. Nylon Pool, Tobago, a shallow, crystal-clear sandbar in the ocean where visitors can wade in waist-deep water. Two, the ultimate carnival destination, Trinidad Carnival, dubbed the greatest show on earth. This internationally renowned event dazzles with extravagant costumes, high-energy soca music, and electrifying street parades.
White
Jouvert morning. A thrilling pre-dawn celebration where revelers cover themselves in mud, paint, and oil while dancing to the infectious sounds of steel pan and soca. Three. Rich culture and fascinating history. Diverse heritage. A blend of African, Indian, European, and indigenous influences shapes the island's music, cuisine, and traditions. Steel pan music. Invented in Trinidad, the steel pan is an iconic symbol of the country's musical legacy.
Dane Golson has known since he was 9 years old. Created in Trinidad and Tobago in the 1930s, the steel pan is the only acoustic instrument to be invented in the 20th century.
The instrument came actually from the war days, right? And even the slavery time, where we actually freed up ourselves through the instruments, like banging on drums, banging on drums, banging on drums, all right? To kind of free ourselves up, all right? And it was created because of just hitting that drum one place all the time.
Now those sounds from the beating of specially tuned oil drums lighting up the heart of Times Square in honor of World Steel Pan Day. Officially taking place every August 11th, the celebration is part of the United Nations Declaration acknowledging the steel pan's history and positive impact across the globe. This is the event's second year.
And we felt that this was such a big diplomatic achievement for our country, such a positive declaration of the reach of our culture throughout the world, that we had to do it last year and we had to do it this year again. We really want to tell the world, we want to tell New York and all the passers-by that pass through this most visited spot on earth that Trinidad and Tobago culture is tremendous. We're infectious, and it has massive global reach.
But while steel pan has been widely considered Trinidad and Tobago's national instrument, it wasn't legally designated as such until last month, making this year's World Steel Pan Day celebration even more special.
It succeeded very closely by what's called a geographical indicator of our instrument, and that means that the birthplace of the steel pan is in fact accepted as Trinidad and Tobago.
Historic landmarks, sites like Fort George, the magnificent Seven Mansions, and Nelson Island provide insight into the nation's storied past.
You know, Trinidad is really amazing. I mean, we have all these little hidden gems all over the place, and you can access the fort here for free. It's open to the public. So we'll be exploring around the fort itself, you know, giving a little bit of the history.
Enormous history for the people of Trinidad and Tobago. On this island, and generally they've been preserving the history of Trinidad and Tobago. I'm extremely pleased to be the minister under whose portfolio of Trinidad and Tobago is preserved. Today I realized that I missed so much by never coming on this tour. So I would like to encourage the people of Trinidad and the tour guides of
4. A food lover's paradise doubles, a popular street food featuring fried flatbread, bara, stuffed with flavorful curried chickpeas, chana. Bacon shark, a must-try dish from Maracas Beach consisting of fried shark in a warm bake bread with various toppings. Callaloo, a delicious blend of dasheen leaves, coconut milk, and spices. Pilau, a savory one-pot rice dish made with pigeon peas, meat, and coconut milk. Five. Thrilling outdoor adventures and wildlife turtle watching in Tobago. Leatherback turtles nest on the island's beaches between March and August. Diving and snorkeling. Bucku Reef in Tobago is a must-visit for its vibrant coral formations and marine life. Hiking and waterfalls, experience breathtaking treks to natural wonders like Paria Waterfall, Argyle Waterfall, and Rio Seco Waterfall. Why visit Trinidad and Tobago? Endless variety. From Trinidad's vibrant city life to Tobago's serene beaches, there's something for every traveler.
My dad loves to surf,
Tropical
so
climate year-round. Enjoy warm temperatures and
I just
sunshine no
feel at
matter the
peace
season.
by the water.
Authentic Caribbean experience. A less commercialized destination, offering an immersive and genuine local vibe. Budget-friendly getaway. Great value for accommodations, food, and activities compared to other Caribbean islands. Convenient travel access, direct flights from major locations in the US, Canada, and the UK. From the exhilaration of Carnival to the serenity of unspoiled beaches, Trinidad and Tobago offers a unique blend of adventure, culture, and relaxation, making it an unforgettable travel destination.